Hello adventurer, welcome to week 58. This week we have 3 worksheets. The first 2 worksheets carry small friends minus on 100th rod, while the third sheet carries 1 digit 10 rows mental 100 questions. So let's solve a few questions from variant 1 and variant 2. Let's understand how small friends minus formulae are used on the 100th rod. Question number 1. So this is the 100th rod. And the first value here is plus 500 with the left hand middle finger. We have 500 as the answer now. Minus 100. So we do not have a bead available for minus. So we will use the formula minus 1. Small friends, minus 1 equals plus 4 minus 5. Now the answer is 400. And the third value is plus 200. So this time again we have to use a small friends plus formula. Plus 2 equals plus 5 minus 3. And the final result is 600. So as you noticed, we always use the left hand on the 100th rod and we say the small friends plus and minus formula exactly the way we learned them. Coming to question number 2. Plus 500, the answer is 500 minus 400. So minus 4 formula. Minus 4 equals plus 1 minus 5. Now the partial answer is 100. Then comes plus 400. So plus 4 formula, plus 4 equals plus 5 minus 1. And the final answer is 500. Question number 3. Plus 500, the answer is 500. Minus 100, the answer is 400. Plus 100, the answer is 500. Question number 4. Plus 500, then minus 400, then plus 100, the final answer is 200. Question number 5. Plus 500, minus 400, plus 200, the answer is 300. Question number 6. Plus 500, minus 200 plus 300, the answer is 600. Question number 7. Plus 500 minus 300 plus 400, the answer is 600. Question number 8. Plus 500 minus 100 plus 400, the answer is 800. Question number 9. Plus 500 minus 100 plus 300, the answer is 700. Question number 10. Plus 500, the answer is 500. Minus 2 equals plus 3 minus 5, the answer is 300. Plus 4 equals plus 5 minus 1, the answer is 700. Question number 11. Plus 500 minus 4 equals plus 1 minus 5, the answer is 100. Plus 300 directly, the answer is 400. Question number 12. Plus 500 minus 3 equals plus 2 minus 5,
Oops.
the answer is 200. Plus 200 directly, the answer is 400. Question number 13. Plus 500 minus 3 equals plus 2 minus 5, the answer is 200. Plus 3 equals plus 5 minus 2, the answer is 500. Clear. Question number 14. Plus 500 minus 100 plus 300, the answer is 700. Question number 15. Plus 500 minus 100 plus 500, the answer is 900. So from here on, we will solve only a few questions. Solving question number 16 now. Plus 500 minus 100 plus 400, the answer is 800. Jumping to question number 23. plus 500 minus 200 plus 500. The answer is 800. Question number 29. Plus 500 minus 300 plus 200. The answer is 400. Question number 30. Plus 500 minus 100 minus 400. The answer is 0. Question number 31. Plus 600 minus 2 equals plus 3 minus 5. The answer is 400. Plus 3 equals plus 5 minus 2. The answer is 700. Question number 32. Plus 700 minus 3 equals plus 2 minus 5. The answer is 400. Plus 4 equals plus 5 minus 1. The answer is 800. Question number 43. Plus 800 minus 300. Now the partial answer is 500. Then minus 100. The formula of minus 1. Minus 1 equals plus 4 minus 5. And the final answer is 400. Question number 44. Plus 700 minus 300 plus 100. It's 500. Question number 45. Plus 600 minus 100 minus 400. And the final answer is 100. So this variant 2 or the second worksheet of this week, week 58, covers the same concept, small friends minus on hundredths rod. Let's solve question number 1. Plus 400. There is again plus 400. So we will use the plus 4 formula. Plus 4 equals plus 5 minus 1. Now the answer is 800. Then comes minus 400 as the third value. Minus 4 equals plus 1 minus 5. And the answer is 400. Let's turn to question number 6. Plus 300. The answer is 300 now. Again plus 300. So plus 3 equals plus 5 minus 2. Now the answer is 600. Then minus 300. We will use the minus 3 formula. Minus 3 equals plus 2 minus 5. And we have 300 as the final answer. Question number 12. Plus 100. The answer is 100. Plus 200. The answer is 300. Minus 100. The answer is 200. No formula here. Question number 15. Plus 200. The answer is 200. Plus 100. It's 300 now. Minus 200. The answer is 100. No formula here. Question number 16. Plus 600. The answer is 600. Minus 2 equals plus 3 minus 5. Now we have 400. Plus 3 equals plus 5 minus 2. And the final answer is 700. Question number 24. Plus 600 minus 100 minus 300. The answer is 200. Question number 30. Plus 600 minus 100 minus 400. Answer is 100 now. Question number 31. Plus 500 minus 100 plus 400. The answer is 800. Question number 40. Plus 500 minus 300 plus 300. It's 500. Question number 45. Plus 500 minus 100 minus 200. The final answer is 200. So the last worksheet of this week is a mental worksheet carrying 100 questions of 1 digit 10 rows. So with this, we come to the end of week 58. We have covered small friends minus formulae on the hundredths rod, and the last sheet is 1 digit 10 rows mental mode.